Hello guys, welcome back to Python and Phone programming series. In the last couple of videos, we have been discussing about dictionaries in Python, and this is a continuation of that video. So if you haven't watched that video, please go ahead and check out that video. And now in this class, we will discuss about how to get only the keys from the dictionary. So that means you want to know what are all the keys that are available in this dictionary. So how can we do it? So for that, there is a method called keys in Python. So let me define that here. So I will simply print them. Okay, so that we can have it. So keys. See here, let's run this program now. On the bottom, okay, you got error here. It's not like key, it's a keys. There is a small mistake. See here, dictionary keys, name, age, ID, city. You got it here, right? So that's how we can get the keys from a dictionary. And similarly, if you want to know the values, only the values from the dictionary, what are all the values that are available? Okay, so let me give one statement here like keys, something like this will be good. Print values I will give here and stud keys. Sorry, not keys, values I want to see here now, right? Okay, now let's run this program. See here in the values, you got all the values from the dictionary. Okay, so that is how we can access, we can get keys and values from a dictionary. Okay, now let's say you want to get both keys and values as an output from a dictionary. So in this case, what we can do is we can use a method called items. Okay, so let me print that out. So print student dot items. I will show you the difference here. What is this? So let me run this one. See here in the items dictionary, what happens here is you got key and values, both of them as a tuple. Okay, and all of them are in the list here. So that means each key and value will be one tuple, and you will get entire dictionary data here in the form of tuples. Okay, so name Satish, age 9, ID 190, city Bangalore. Okay, so that is how we can get items separately. Separately keys and values from a dictionary. Okay, so similarly there are a couple of other methods also available in dictionaries, and if you want to know about them, please check out the official documentation of Python, and yeah, you will get many more examples there as well. And if you have any doubts guys, please mention the comment section below, and in the next videos what we will do is we will try to write or create a simple project using list and dictionaries. Okay, so till then, take care.